we're going to be making a surface seducer double barrel popper for all you bass fishermen out there. For starters, we're going to use some olive thread. I'm using an Ultra Thread 140. Attach that to our hook. Now this is a specific hook that is meant to hold a popper in place. We're first going to lay down some thread, and we're going to use this in the next step. Once complete, we can snip off the excess, put in some whip finishes, and cut our thread free. Grab a surface seducer double barrel popper. To attach it to the hook, we are going to use some super glue. Spread that over the thread base that we just put down, and start to twist our popper into place. Once complete, we will add some eyes to our popper. Now we can re-secure our thread to the hook shank and snip free. Wrap back to the back of the hook, and we will grab some frog legs. Now you can make these yourself or you can buy them. These are from Hairline. We also need some markers, and you can color these legs up to be any pattern you like. Here is how mine turned out. We're going to attach this to the back of our hook, securing it tightly. Once complete, we will grab some estaz or chenille, strip off the tips, and attach it to the back of our hook. Secure it tightly and wrap your thread forward to the beginning of our popper. Begin to palming your body by wrapping the estaz or chenille forward. We want this body to be rather thick, so keep your wraps close together and do this all the way to the head of the fly. Secure, and snip free. Additionally, we will grab some grizzly hackle. This particular one is in olive green. Snip off the tips so you can tie it in, and begin hackling it around the base of our popper. Once complete, we will secure, snip free, and whip finish for durability. Snip your thread free and grab some olive legs as well as a leg puller. We will insert this just behind the eye and the body of our fly, and insert two of our legs in between it. Pull the legs through the body of the fly and snip free. Now this is one of my favorite flies to use for bass. I've heard you in the comments, and here's a fly just for you guys. If you don't tie yourself but you'd love to try this one out, you can visit my website down below, submit a custom order form, and I'd be happy to send some your way. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this, and I will see you in the next one.